Everyone. Because of the distance learning that we're going through right now, I recreated my awards in a way that makes them editable so that you can add your name, the kiddos' names, and the date, and then send it digitally to your families through email or text or any other way that you could attach a picture. And then you can present these awards during a video conference award ceremony. There's also one award that where you can edit the title of the award in case the one you're looking for is not included in one of the 88 that I have pre-created. So I'm going to kind of show you how to do this. So in this package that you're getting, you'll see that my editable awards, but you'll also have the PDFs. The PDFs are the ones that you're going to want to print out and hand out on a normal school year. But for this year, to make them individual that you can mail, email, or text, you're going to scroll through, find the awards that you want to assign to certain kiddos. If you decide, for example, here's a best behavior award. I give this award to any kid who was on green all year round, who never had to move their name to yellow or red. In that case, I would duplicate, because there's going to be more than one kid. So in that case, all you have to do is click here, right click, and then click on duplicate slide, and then you can make as many as those as you want to. So let's just, I'm going to do a couple for example to kind of show you. So I'm going to do Brightest Smile. And I'm going to give that award to Leilani. So I'm just going to type on top of this text box, Leilani Sanders. And then I'm going to type my name. And I'm going to type the date. The date we are actually giving our award ceremony is June 5th. So that's the date I'll put it there. And then let me just choose one more and then I'll kind of show you what to do. All right, for future author, let's just say I'm going to give this one to Shane Johnson. And again, I will type my name here. If you're doing a lot of them, you can actually copy and paste. If you have your name already, you can just copy that and then paste it into all of the other awards. The same goes for the date. That way you just have to change the person's name. Okay, so there we go. So now what you're gonna do is, I would go through and delete whatever ones you did not assign to any of your students. So if there are any awards here, because there's 88 different awards here, if there are any here that you choose not to use, I would just click on it, right click, and hit delete slide. Get rid of all those slides that you're not gonna use before you go to save them. Also, this first award here is the one that you can change the title of the award and make it any award you want in case the one you want is not something I already have here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, and then you're going to go down here to Export, and then you're going to go to Change File Type, and then change it to either a PNG or a JPEG. So I'm going to change mine to a JPEG. And then I'm going to save it here. I'm going to call it My Distance Learning Awards 2. Let me just name 3 just in case. Okay, save. It's asking me which slides I want to export. I'm going to say all slides. My computer's kind of slow, so it'll take a second. Each slide in your presentation has been saved as a separate file in the folder. So I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to go find those awards. So let me change my share screen. So here are my awards. So I'm going to go down here to Brightest Smile. So what I'm going to do now is all of these would be your awards that you have saved individually. So you're just going to go in and change the name of each one to the name of that kiddo to make it easier to find that award when you're sending them to your friends or to your families. So this one right here says Leilani Sanders. So I'm going to click right on here and I'm going to change the name of this award to Leilani. I'm going to call it Leilani Smile. And the reason why is because I don't give just one award to each kid. I give 2 or 3 awards to each kid. So I'm going to put Leilani Smile here. And then on another one, I might put Leilani Behavior so that I can differentiate what those 2 were. But if you are only giving 1 award per kid, you can just put the first name. Then I'm going to come down here and find I think Future Author was the one I gave to Shane. And I'm going to type in Shane Author. Okay, so that way, now they're all individually saved. So now you can actually send each individual award to your families. When I'm doing my presentation in Zoom, when I do my actual celebration, I'm going to pull up my PowerPoint document and actually play through that document as I'm announcing the awards. And then later I'm going to go and attach these individual awards to an email and send them to the families. So I hope this works for you. And you also, like I said, have the PDF as well. So next year you'll have these awards to hand out to your kiddos when we're back in school again. All right, thank you. And I hope that you enjoy them.